Hey y'all, I'm wearing a little sun hat. It's kind of covering my arms and stuff too, which helps. It's not beaming right down on my back. But I also realize I need to take better care of my skin because I'm always outside. And now that I'm getting older, well, we're all getting older. But now that I'm getting older, I'm noticing certain like spots on my face and things like that. Um, the effects of the sun. So I need to take better care. And I've been wearing like sunscreen, but we don't really know what's in that stuff and if it's actually helping us or not, honestly. So I'm just gonna take extra measures, and I think it clips, but I like mine open. Like I said, it's going down my back like hair. So I was like, I need to take better care. And then also, when you're layered up, we see it in other countries. We saw it for those of us that served in the military. The more you have on, well, it depends on the material, you're actually cooler. The more skin you show, message, all right, you're actually more hot. The sun is beating directly onto your skin. So cover your cells up, all right? It actually feels better. And then you'll look better later in the long run. But yeah, y'all, so I'm just coming on here. It's going to be a full day of cleaning, organizing. You're never really done. You think you are, but you're not. I'm going to be getting rid of some old crops. Not old, but crops that are about done, and replenish. I have a lot of things to plant. I got 2 apple trees to plant. I got some corn starts starts that I bought. Even though I planted corn, I bought some already. Let me turn this around for y'all. I bought some that were already started. I have 3 varieties: a sweet bicolor, sweet yellow, and sweet white. So I'm going to be planting those. Got some actual flowers, some tomatoes, some different varieties, some more peppers, some squash, honeydew, melons, and things like that. So I will be fertilizing some others. And yeah, and just moving stuff around. Even though the aesthetics aren't that important, I still want to look decent back here. So I can enjoy actually coming back here, looking at it. And it's not just my yard either. So what are y'all doing today or this week? Tomorrow I'll be going with my cousin to a plant festival to look at some things. I already know I'm going to get something. And I'm actually looking for something in particular. 2 things in particular. And I'm sure I'll find it, and I'm going to bring those back tomorrow after we're done. But yeah, y'all, look at this. You need some help, buddy? All right, so it's going to be busy doing that and tending to him. Jordan, no more from there. You got to pull it from the other side. All right, y'all. I'm probably going to be going live. I say that, but I am, because I am running low on space again. So just pull it, buddy. Just so I can go live and do like little short clips here and there. And then I'm going to be doing some teaching things as I'm learning it, because I'm figuring out like new natural ways for things. So I'm definitely going to be sharing those. And I'm also building a trellis today for my, did you cut it on? Good job. For my cucumber melons and my Malabar spinach. That's not Metabar, but Malabar. 2 different things. But the Malabar with the L, that one actually trellises and grows better in the spring, summertime. So it's crazy just to learn the different types and when they grow. Again, I always said, I think a lot of people say, oh, I can't grow anything, I don't have a green thumb. I believe everyone does. We just have to do the research and learn the season in which everything has to grow. Just like in real life with us, it's not that you're not meant to do things, you're just probably not in the right season to be doing it. So yeah, just had to share that with y'all. I'll help you, buddy. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.